to make very healthy
Veggie
mixed
pura.
veggies. I have veggie pura with the besan. I have mixed vegetables frozen, which I wash them, and I'm gonna grind them here. It's 3 cups. 3 cups of veggies. Just grind them, chop them like that, and just put a little bit of water at the time. Just grind it. Just move it around.
Now, Daddy, what is a pura?
Pura is like besan roti. I'm using besan flour, which is it's a chickpea
It's like
flour, garbanzo beans. But you can make with other flours if you like, right? And
It is like a bread, like a thin bread.
it's like a roti, like a tortilla, and you just add in here. I have 2 cups of besan, and just add in here.
Now, Daddy made some more before starting the video
Yeah,
to save time.
yeah. And now I'm gonna add this in here too. There you go.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna add spice in here. I have my spice wrap. I have everything in here.
See?
Yeah,
Lots of salt,
everything what I need.
salt and all these different spices.
Yeah. Put 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is I already grind them. And I have 1 teaspoon is garam masala. That's all in there, like coriander, everything in there. Cinnamon, black peppers, and I'm gonna salt to taste. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon and chili powder and a little bit of coriander powder, give extra taste. There you go. I'm going to add first half cup water in here just to mix it slowly so that lumps won't get in there. Just mix it like that. Keep mixing. And add another half cup of water. I add water as I need it. I don't want to add it all together at once. So you don't want to make too thin or too, right? So I mix it. Just mix it like that. It's pretty healthy.
May I
Mix
mix
it.
Daddy?
Yeah, sure. And I'm gonna add another half cup of water. I think probably by the end we're gonna have like 2 cups. Slowly, slowly,
Oh,
slowly.
wow.
Slowly. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. You're learning, right?
I'll go get a tissue.
No, that's okay, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do it after. So it's look like this. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more water.
Wow, it's hard to mix that.
No, it's not hard. It just, you're not used to, right? I put another half cup, right? So let's see. You might need some more, might not. So we don't need any more. So that's what it's supposed to look like. We are done. Now I'm gonna taste a little bit salt in here. Oops, too much. See if there's enough salt in here. You need a little bit more. You need a little bit more salt. Put
Yeah, a little bit more salt.
Yeah, a little bit chili pepper. You can make as your taste buds allow you. Because we like spicy food here.
But everybody has their different tastes. and
Yeah.
ways.
So that should be okay.
We like it like a little bit spicy, not too spicy, but
Yeah. Okay, it's done. Now we're gonna go to the stove. Let's start cooking. Yeah, now so my stove, the fry pan is ready. I put it in a medium heat. So you don't want it too high, it will burn in the bottom. So I take this like half a cup and just pour it on the top. Just like that. And I will spread it with this little spatula I have. Let's go slowly. You see little chunky veggies on the top. There you go. I'm gonna let it cook about a minute. You can brush with the oil a little bit. You can use any kind of oil, but I have avocado oil. I use avocado oil. You can use butter if you like, or you don't have to use any butter. These are really good for breakfast, snack, tea time, coffee time, anytime. You can, when you're grinding the vegetable, you can add green chilies. But I didn't because the girls don't like green chilies. So that's why I didn't add them here. So you can put it with the veggies and grind them with the veggies. So I think I'm gonna try lifting this up. I think a little bit more. Just go like that, slowly. On the side. And just lift it. There you go. This side is cooked. And let it cook about a minute. It's good to have a little bit medium heat, so you don't want to cook too fast. The too fast cooking will burn. It won't taste good then. It's really good for the kids, and they will love it. I'm gonna lift this. The other side is done. Perfect. See? There you go. Now.
We're gonna put it on that plate.
Now, today.
Oh, that's you made it?
Yeah. Now there you go. Today, I'm serving to my family with the pumpkin soup and the vegetable puda.
Okay, I'm gonna now taste it though.
Yeah.
So good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for watching.
Thank you. Bye.